Music X Pro app. So this is a new app, kind of alternative to Music app. Music app, as you know, probably it was deleted, removed from the App Store because YouTube Music basically was not happy. Google was not happy because kind of Music app was just a wrapper for YouTube Music, and eventually it was just removed from App Store, iOS. I don't know whether it will be back, but this is one of the top alternatives for Music app. So yeah, you can organize your files, discover new artists, build playlists, and bookmark your favorites. App seamlessly integrates with popular cloud services like iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and more. You can create personalized playlists, so you can easily create the perfect soundtrack for any occasion. You can subscribe to remove all ads. And yeah, here is the app. And then the idea is that you can just create playlists here. So it's very similar concepts to Music app, and then you just have playlists, and then you can just organize it. There are some artists, top albums, and then that's just what it is. You create playlists, new list. And then you just create it here, and then you can just so yeah, seems you still need to connect some service here, either Spotify or YouTube Music. So yeah, here you can also import your users. If you wanna remove ads, you just have $3 per month. You can also add